Hey, what is up guys? In this video, I am going to show you how you can make real money by doing graphic designs. And this is going to be super easy. I'm going to show you how you can create your graphic designs and how you can market it and sell it and get your first customers. And on top of that, we are not even going to use Photoshop, but a free service to do this. So it's going to be completely free. You don't need any kind of budget to start this, and you can basically scale this up and make some nice income. So if this video helps you out, make sure to leave a like and to subscribe. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright, as you guys can see here, I'm on my iPad. And now we are just going to go onto YouTube, so I will show you what we want to do. So basically, I've just searched up a topic now, how to create NFTs. We can see there's a lot of different like art styles and pictures right here that represent these different videos. And basically these thumbnails are made to be clicked on, and they are really important for people to have a successful video. So nobody is, for example, going to click on a thumbnail like that because it's just not appealing enough. But if you really can create some nice graphic design, there's a bigger likelihood that people are going to click on this. And this is a reason your job is really valuable as a graphic designer, because it's just so needed in the space, and you can basically scale up your prices once you get better at it. But yeah, as you guys can see, there's a lot of different ways to do this. But yeah, creating thumbnails for these YouTube channels is one option to go to make some money with graphic designs. Also, it's not only about thumbnails, but people are constantly looking for things such as these banners right here. So you can see there's a lot of effort that goes into that too. And if you can create some banners, you can make some money with that too. And yeah, even logos are really searched for. But obviously this is not the only option with these graphic designs, because you can basically do anything, such as, for example, creating some simple logos for brands, or then creating flyers for nightclubs. You can even design things on websites. So a bunch of different things you can do. And you might think it's really hard to find these customers, but basically what you can do to get these customers is, first of all, just get a Fiverr account and create some gigs on there. And from my past experience, even with 0 sales already and just a brand new account, you can already get some requests. And maybe you might lower your price for the first sale so that you get some reviews in, and then you can start building your account and you will be ranked higher in the Fiverr page, and with that can get more sales of that. Also, a valuable option is to go onto Facebook or any other social media and search for thumbnail creation, and then you will find some people that are looking for a thumbnail creator or like video editor or designer, and then you can basically offer your service there. Also, my secret tip is you don't even have to wait for people to come to you like through Fiverr, but basically what you can do is you can go onto YouTube, find some people and just go onto their channel, and then go to the about section, and here you can find all of their different information, and there you can message them and ask them if they are interested in thumbnails and if you want to collaborate. And then they will get back to you and you can get some new customers. Also here, what I would go for is I would search for some channels that are like have a big reach and a huge amount of subscribers, but not really a good thumbnail designs. And then you can basically just offer your service, because basically it's a win-win situation. You get them a higher click-through rate while you get some money for that, and you know, that's just great. The reason I would not go for little accounts is basically they won't be able to pay you as much as bigger accounts. So if you want your $30 for like a thumbnail or something like that, you can get that from a little account because they just don't have the money. And the other reason I'm not going for big accounts with already good thumbnails is it's really simple, because they either already have a thumbnail designer or design them themselves. If they are good at it, why should they need you? Oh, now enough talking. I need to show you how you can create these thumbnail designs. So basically what we want to do is we want to go here on Google and search for a website. It's a website called photo via, simple as that. And this is basically a service that is just as good as Photoshop. And if you don't like this service because, I don't know, you can't use these tools properly, you can always just search up some tutorials. But if you're more familiar with services such as Canva, you can use that too. Now on here, what we want to do is we want to just go on new project and then basically get the right measurements for whatever you're doing on here. For thumbnails, it's 1280 pixels times 720 pixels. And then you just click on create and have this canvas right here. What we want to do now is you can basically just open a new tab and here just search for simple footage. And it depends on what you're trying to create. But if you're basically trying to create, for example, a animal compilation thumbnail or something like that, you can just search for cute cat. Then go to pictures. Here just select a cute picture such as this one and then save that photo. Then you can basically go and open another tab. Here's another website I think is really valuable, and that is Remove so background. And basically what this website is about, you can remove any background, and I always use that too. So now we will just put in our image right here, and then we have this simple cat right here and can download this picture. And now I've just put it in here. I can resize it however I want to, and then I can just, maybe even put another picture in here and create a background and some text in there. I will just quickly do that and show you. So I've just quickly created this piece right here. So this is basically a thumbnail idea. Now I could write some text such as cutest cats ever on there. And I think that will probably be worth like 20 to 30 bucks as a thumbnail. And it's actually really simple. You just have to try out these different tools you got in here, and then you will get familiar with them and you can create some really nice thumbnails. That's also something I would advise you guys to do. So to basically try this out first, because to get your first customers, you already need to have some kind of credentials. So basically have something to show to them, know what they get, and also that they know that you are basically trustworthy, and create some nice graphic design. And I basically use this too. So here you can see a conversation with somebody I messaged, and they basically asked me a lot of questions too. And if you already have somebody that is purchasing from you, it's a lot easier too. And I wouldn't be telling you guys about this side hustle if I haven't tried this before myself. And I have tried this for like some months now, and I've been making like $500 a month from just creating these thumbnails. So there's really a big upside for this, and it's not that hard to do. But you just gotta know what you do. So I would advise you guys to get familiar with this website or use Canva, and then you can create some graphic design, upload it everywhere on Fiverr, and ask people if you can create something for them. And then you will start to get better and also start to make some money off this side hustle. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave me a like and to subscribe. That will really mean the world to me. And if you have any questions, just go ahead and ask me in the comment section and I will try to reply. And without further ado, this is basically the end of the video. Make sure to check out my second channel, linked in the description below. And yeah, make sure to check out my Instagram. And with that said, I will hopefully see you guys in the next video. Bye.